In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Curse Battlegrounds. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to learn the timing to perform a Black Flash in Curse Battlegrounds. So while playing as a King of Curses, your second ability is going to be Black Flash. In here, your character is going to lean down and they are going to kick the enemy with their feet. If you are able to press Black Flash as your character extends their leg, you will be able to perform a Black Flash, so it should look something like this. So all that you have to watch out for while you are practicing is when your character leans backwards and kicks the enemy. If you are able to press Black Flash right as your character connects their kick, you will be able to see the effect go off and you will perform the Black Flash. In here, you have to be really patient, don't use Black Flash early, and only press it when the kick connects. If you are able to learn the timing, you will eventually be able to do it off muscle memory, so you don't even have to watch your character. But while you are learning, I recommend zooming into your character and you will be able to watch out for when they put their legs forward, and you will be able to perform the Black Flash by pressing the same button. So on PC, on keyboard, you will press 2 to start the Black Flash, and then you just have to press it again while your character is doing the pose. If you are able to press it again when the kick connects, you will be able to see the Black Flash effects go off. So it is simple to do, but it's hard to learn the timing. So keep trying and eventually you will be able to get good at it. Once you learn the timing, you don't even have to watch your character. You will be able to do it off muscle memory. So just try to practice it with a dummy on a private server, and eventually you will be able to perform it against real players when you join a public server on Curse Battlegrounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Curse Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.